This tutorial shows you how to create and apply templates for charts in SPSS. In order to create a template, you might want to look at videos I did for formatting SPSS charts and plots. Once you're finished with formatting, you want to save the appearance as a template. In order to do that, you still have to be in the chart editor, which can be opened by double-clicking your chart. Then go to File and select Save Chart Template. You will get a long list of settings that you can save into a new template. In most of the cases, you will be fine with selecting all settings. Please note, however, that selecting text content will overwrite the chart title as well as axes titles, which may not be desired if only formatting should be saved into a template. This would only be helpful if you have a series of charts that all have the same chart title and axes titles. Once you've ticked all the applicable boxes for the settings, a brief description below can and should be entered to be able to later tell the difference between templates. Then click Continue and choose a location where the template should be saved. Within the default SPSS template folder, no writing permission is granted, and you have to look for a different folder, preferably within your project folder. When it comes to applying a template, you probably already guessed that you have to open the chart editor for the respective chart. Then go to File, Apply Chart Template, and look for your template at the location you saved it beforehand. A final note, different types of charts need different types of templates. Applying a scatterplot template to a histogram will format some things that are the same on both chart types. For instance, grid lines, axes text styles, scales, or labels. To avoid having to start from scratch with every chart type template, you can of course still apply a different chart type template so that you already have customizations in place.